Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I am simply going to teach you how you can find and unblock your friends on Snapchat. So let's just say you have blocked someone intentionally or unintentionally, and now when you search for their account you don't seem to find it in order for you to go ahead and unblock them. So in this video I'm going to be showing exactly how you can do that, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Snapchat. Finally, once you have done that, you want to simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen. Once you have done that, you're going to be on this page right over here. So where do I go ahead and find the person I have blocked? All you're going to do is tap on the top right gear icon right over here, and now scroll all the way down until you go ahead and find your logout button. You're not going to go ahead and click on logout, but the thing you're going to click on is this option which says block. So once you have clicked on that, as you can see, it will show you all the people that you have blocked on your Snapchat. So if I want to go ahead and unblock this person, however, all I'm going to do is tap on this cross icon right beside their name, and now it's going to say, are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter? And now all you want to do is simply go ahead and tap on yes, and now as you can see, they have been unblocked from your account. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have, and if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.